ẹ̀yin wa àmọ̀tòkè kábọ̀ sórí ìkànnì Fabulous Base TV channel tí a ti mú gist wá fún yín àti entertainment lọ́kàn òjọ̀ kan fún ẹ̀yin subscribers wa ẹ̀ṣẹ̀un adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín akínyín fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ò tí ì subscribe ẹ má gbàgbé kẹ́ bá wa subscribe ẹ bá wa share ẹ bá wa comment ẹ bá wa like ẹ bá wa turn on notification button yín sílẹ̀ so that ẹ bá ti ń upload ẹ bá ti update ẹ lè máa rí lóòrèkóòrè ẹ̀ṣẹ̀un adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ẹ̀ṣẹ̀un.
Including the staircase, I will tell you all the positions of where the cameras are. Now that the police will go into the house and somebody will say there is no camera and they turn their back, even the camera in front of the house that is still there, if the law stores it, why can't the police bring where the storage is? If anybody, whoever is in charge of the CCTV storage, the central storage, they must bring all of us, the family, the lawyers, the police, we must all check together. If anything is missing, the person in charge of the CCTV should be charged for murder, conspiracy to commit murder, because that is the truth. On top of it, again, so all of you are your camera dule on up and camera to office gbogbo nu le kokon ni estate yẹn ko si storage nule yẹn on store see because security estate yẹn ni àwọn tó dey ṣètò àti bo to le wọ́n ti dùn ko they are after my life. If anything happen to me, all those in the house tí Mohbad di kú, hold them responsible. All the police officers are investigated, hold them responsible. If they want to bring the truth out, they should go, they should give a judgment. The police should get a warrant from the court. They should go to the central unit tí gbogbo CCTV ilé kọ̀ọ̀kan tó store sí ihun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ bó ṣe gbé ẹ̀mí Mohbad kedere ní everybody bari who was there you will see, and that is where we are going. If we can lọ yẹn except that estate wọ́n gba àlejò tí àwọn tó wà ní estate yẹn tí gbogbo wọn bá fi kéde ọmọ wọn, if they will not come together and say release the footage of Mohbad's interior building to the police, release it to the public, if they will not come together, that estate is harboring murder. We are challenging everybody in that estate to search their conscience. If you wash your hand off Mohbad's death, can you wash your conscience? Do you want to gain from your children? Does that mean you're going to live longer? Does that mean you're going to make heaven? Does that justify that you are holy? Speak the truth for us.